guys, today I will show you a small Halloween makeup. Let's get started. Firstly, I will use a Nourishing gel from Superdrug.
Pack your bags, I got a one-way ticket to explore the world tonight. I want you back, so come with me. Don't look back, I wanna show you the wonders of.
Then I will use Vaseline Lip Therapy for my lips.
And you will see we've got just one.
Then I will start using the foundation from Cinecitta makeup, mixed with L'Oreal Infaillible 24-hour fresh wear.
Stars you see above, I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical love.
And I will start buffing in the face using a buffing brush from Morphe. Then I will use a concealer from It Cosmetics by Undereye.
Exploring hidden caves or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii.
To sculpt my face, I will use Conceal and Define from Revolution in the shade C14.
Sipping on tequila, anything you wanna see, be there in a heartbeat. Just say the words and we can go. We've got just one life, baby.
Now I will set my face using the Match Perfection by Rimmel London.
Stars you see above, I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical love.
Then I will sculpt my face using the Revolution Pro palette.
My tropical love. I wanted to be here by my.
Now I will start using the blush palette from Revolution Pro. For highlight, I will use Glowy Powder from Pixi. As a base for my eyeshadow, I will use the black crayon from Kiko. To set the base, I will use a black shadow from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. I will do the same to the other eye and I will be right back. So I'm back, guys. In the next step I will do my eyebrows using a brow pencil from Morphe. I will use a brow mascara also for my eyebrows. Now for my right eye, I will draw a spider. I hope you like it. Next, I will start drawing my lips. For mascara, I will use Lash Sensational from Maybelline. So that's the final look. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!